Go, buddy. Find the bird. Find the bird. Where's that bird? Yep, he's on it. Good ride. Ready, ready. Come on, buddy. Dead bird, buddy. Dead bird, buddy. Hit, hit. Over here, buddy. Ready? Good job, buddy. Good boy. Good job. Where is he? Find that bird. Hit. This is where he struggles.
Really?
It gets so birdy, you know, he's so nuts right now.
You got the bird?
Yeah, I hit it.
No, do you have it?
No, I don't know yet.
Oh.
I wanted him to find it, you know.
Right, absolutely. You didn't hit it very hard.
Yeah. I don't know how I missed the first one. It was hanging there.
You got it.
Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Bring it here. Here. Fetch it up. I see. I always mark where they go down, and I want him to get on it, but he was on it the whole time. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Release. Here. Good boy. Release. Release. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Good job. You did good. Yeah.
It worked out good there.
Yep. Hold on. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I hit in the head. Yep. Good boy.